Hello guys, we are going from Bangalore to Kolkata, from Bayapnalli station to Havda Junction. Today on 19th April to 20th April. And you can see that we are in Husarli. You can see there Husarli.
ವೈನಾಡು ಮುನ್ನಾರು ತೇಕಡಿ ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್
It will take about 1 hour to go now. Now it's the time of 8:47 morning, not night.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ,
Morning 8:47. I think it will take about 9:30 or 9:45 to reach.
270 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
I don't know that when it will get started the train. I think so.